Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your June energies. Let's see what's coming towards you now in June, Cancer. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear for the upcoming month of June. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Cancer. Oh, lovely. Okay. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. I don't think you'll want to or have to, because look at this. You become the magician. In June, you can manifest whatever you want. And from what I'm seeing, Cancer, you're manifesting some real good, stable things for yourself. So before I begin this reading, Cancer, I'm going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless your reading. New month, and Lord Ganesha being the idol, or the god we pray to for new beginnings, I always take a Ganesha Oracle card before every month for all of you. So let's see what Lord Ganesha has for my Cancer gang. Lord Ganesha for Cancer, please. Blessing for Lord Ganesha for Cancer, please. Thank you. Joy. Wonderful. Be in a state of joy, Cancer. That's going to really bring in whatever you're trying to manifest now in June. Stay in a state of childlike innocence and joy. No worries, no stress. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the process. Dance a little, sing a little, jump a little, because that's going to bring your vibration higher and higher and help you manifesting your dreams even faster. Pick this here. Okay, so Cancer, you have the Knight of Pentacles starting your current energy. So that means some very nice, stable, new beginning is starting out for you right now, Cancer. Something that you've been working on in the recent past. You've really put in a lot of effort, a lot of time. You put your head down, and yes, here it is. Your Ace of Pentacles is on its way. You've been head down trying to create this, right? You've been trying to perfect this in the recent past. Looking for this stability, looking for a fresh, new, stable beginning. And your hard work seems to now has started to kind of, show. So what's this, Spirit? Knight of Pentacles? Knight of Pentacles. Things are coming into balance, and this is all because of your go-getting energy. Maybe you've really been taking action or working towards something. This is your end goal. The end goal is not that one pentacle. You're actually manifesting the 10 of Pentacles here, Cancer, for yourself. Ultimate security, long-term happiness, and yes, very excited about the future as well. And slow and steady. You're not rushing towards it, from what I see. You're being very methodical, being very careful about the way you're going about things. You have put in a lot of work, you've put in a lot of action towards this thing, and now see, in June, here it is. King of Pentacles. Highest level of, anyone being stable and having everything that they need. So this is what's keep on it. Whatever you're doing, Cancer, it's working big time. So what's this King of Pentacles, Spirit, coming for Cancer now? Huge transformation coming into your life, Cancer. As much as, yes, your ships are coming in, that's for sure. Whatever troubles you've been in the past, you are finally leaving all that behind, because all that work that you've put in, all this manifestation, all this hard work, all this passion that you've shown towards your goal, you can now stand there and accept whatever these ships are bringing in for you. They're laden with all the goodies that you want, and it's going to totally transform your life. It's going to be a total different life for you altogether coming up, because here you are achieving everything that you ever desired. And this process started before. You started slow, you started, with a thought of that one pentacle, and then you worked and worked and worked and worked with that one goal. And in June, I do see a total transformation coming into your life, especially where finances and money or long-term stability is concerned. So, what should Cancer hold on to? Hold on to your childlike innocence, Cancer. Just, being in this process of manifesting, don't forget that to have a little bit of fun, a little bit of joy. Don't forget to stop and smell those roses, or maybe give the roses to someone else, while you're at it. So keep this joy and this innocence of childlike expression. Hold on to this. Six of Cups, Spirit, why should Cancer hold on to the Six of Cups? Yes, you have a Cancer Spirit saying, yes, you need to kind of not be single-mindedly focused on abundance. You have a choice. You can either spend all your time into building whatever this Three of Pentacles, this seems like a building, or working on something, trying to create something 3D, or you can also divide it into a little bit of your time maybe to finding love and peace and happiness, because that's what's going to bring you balance. Don't forget the essence of your childlike innocence. Otherwise, life becomes imbalanced again. If you're spending too much time on the pentacle and less on your heart, less on that cup of love, then it, kind of messes things up again. So just be a little mindful that you keep that joy, that innocence, that happiness, that love in your heart also given as much priority as your pentacles. So what should Cancer let go of? Ace of Swords. Yes, don't be single-mindedly focused. That's what I'm feeling. Sometimes we get overly focused. From what I'm seeing, you are totally focused on your stability, on your grounding yourself, on the 3D reality of things. And Spirit is saying, I think you have to let that go a little bit and spend some time in happiness and joy. Otherwise, Cancer then becomes a burden. You don't see the happiness, joy in your life anymore. Everything just becomes work, and yes, you will find that stability. You will gather up all these wands, but then they start becoming a little heavy to carry, right? You need some fun time and some play time as well. Let's look at this picture very carefully, Cancer. This seems like a hoopla, right? Even though it's a garland, I know, looks like a hoopla around Lord Ganesha's fat stomach, and it's almost like Lord Ganesha's having a fun time, going round and round and twirling his garland like a hoopla. So find time to have a little bit of fun and joy, and don't get overburdened with this single-minded focus that you have for stability. So what can become your biggest blockage in June for Cancer? Yes, people may invite you out. People may say, hey, come have some fun with us. Let's party. Let's, I know it's COVID and you can't really go out, but even at home with your friends or, your family or something, with their children, if you can find some time to have some playtime and not always be this, wounded warrior that, oh my God, I have so much work to do and I have to hold back and I don't have time. I have so many battles that I still need to fight right now. And look at the difference in these two cards. These three people are, raising their vibrations up to the universe and saying, we invite in happiness into our life. And this person is standing in a little grayish area and very burdened, overwhelmed, leaning on that one wand, tired, but saying, I have to keep going because I need to reach my, my goal here. So Spirit saying this kind of behavior can become a bit of blockage in actually manifesting what you really desire. Try and be more in, this happier vibration. Try and find some time for yourself so that you can actually manifest all these wonderful things that you want for yourself easier. It doesn't have to be like an oppression to gain your stability. Attract it with happiness in your heart. Don't let this become a blockage. How do people see my Cancer gang now? Ooh, people see my Cancer gang as being very lucky in June, having luck on your side, moving forward, not looking back, and but again, see, being a bit distrustful. They see that you are still looking over your shoulder at all times, thinking, yes, I'm lucky right now, but what if something goes wrong? What if it doesn't work out? And some people could also be seeing that, you are gathering information and studying something to better your life so that it moves forward in a positive direction. What else, Spirit? How do people see my Cancer gang? People see that you're moving away from anything that disturbed you in the past. You're trying to leave all your emotional unhappiness in the past, and you're moving towards your happiness now. Yes, they do see you a bit stressed, Cancer, so just be a little mindful of this card. Your people who really love you, maybe your parents or your children or your siblings, your best friend, could be seeing that underlying energy that you have in your pursuit to find your happiness. You are going about it in a way that you are worried about it. Even though luck is on your side, I don't see anything wrong here, but you seem to be a bit stressed out. At least that's how people are viewing you. So that's the reason the reading is done now. If this is going to be coming, Cancer, you can stop yourself now. Okay, promise yourself that you're not going to overstress, you're not going to overwork, things are going to come for you. Luck is on your side, but do it in a manner which is healthy for you. Balance your life out, your head and heart, and not just be, single-minded focus on work. So let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you. 9 of Pentacles. You are going to achieve everything that you desire, Cancer. Don't worry about it. You'll have money growing on trees by the end of the time. From what I see. So why is that a secret message, Spirit, for Cancer? Because luck is on your side. Wheel of Fortune again. Look at this. This is promised to you. Now it's up to you, Cancer. How do you want to achieve it? How do you want the journey to look towards these 9 Pentacles? Do you want it to be stressed out and hard, carrying that heavy load and never finding happy times for yourself? It's going to come one way or the other. But how about enjoying the journey while you're at it? This is going to come in divine timing. And it's there, it's available. You are being blessed with it. So start kind of celebrating every milestone, if nothing else. Each time you get some kind of victory, give yourself an hour or two of pampering or doing something nice for yourself, because you are heading straight into this very abundant time for yourself. Okay? So, yes, that's all I have for you. Don't get obsessed, Spirit is saying. Don't get obsessed in your pursuit, because we are promising you the happiest card in the deck. The sunshine. It's coming. You don't have to worry about it. Okay? That's all I have for you, Cancer. Have a wonderful month ahead. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.